Honor, Gratitude, and Respect, HGR. This is a quick shout out to Jersey Knife Guy and a thank you for giving me the heads up to run to Walmart and grab a couple of these excellent Ozark Trail Benchmade bug out clones or ripoffs or whatever, but they are sweet. Um, they're only $10. Pretty awesome. While I was there, they had a number of Bucks and Kershaws and Gerber dual force multi tools. So I picked this one up. They had the other one that has like the kind of, I think it's for like pipes, or round items where it's got like the black addition to the pliers. I think it was around the same price. This one was 57 marked down from 96. Pretty cool. I've never had one of these before. I always wanted to try one. It does have spring pliers and of course the center drive arm, which I think is something Leatherman should have thought of years and years ago. But anyways, this is awesome. I really like this. And then it has like a liner lock on it. So I grabbed those. One thing I don't believe Jersey pointed out, but these have a full milled out liners on this model, and the bug out does not. So here's another clone I got off Amazon. This one is carbon fiber, and as you can see, I believe this is how all the bug outs are. There's just like a tiny amount of liner up top, but there's nothing else inside. And I get the point is like to make it as light as possible, and that's cool and everything, but I mean, they're milled out liners. They don't weigh anything. And I'm not knocking this Chinese company, because whatever steel this is made out of, it's awesome. This is a super cool knife. You'll often see Randy over at Georgia Adventure. He's rocking an actual Benchmade. I think he's got like a blue one. It's a sweet knife. I mean, it weighs nothing. Do I have? I don't have a scale kicking around. I'll put in a weight after the video in the description or something. But yeah, these are super cool. Just so you can see the difference. Again, this is a clone on the right, so real ones will vary. But the big difference is that for me, the thumb stud is quite a bit longer, and I'm not sure if I really doubt that the Ozark Trail is pressed in. I bet it just screws together. So maybe you could change those out. Places like Etsy always have aftermarket parts for Benchmade and stuff. Etsy also has like tons of like Emerson clips, Spyderco clips, but I do recommend for Spyderco and the like and Strider, you go with Lynch. But for these cheapos, for these knockoffs, I mean, if you see something from, there's a couple different companies on Etsy that make tons of clips. So there you go. Pretty cool. Great deal. Yeah, I'm gonna probably just carry this around as like a second blade, because it's just, why not? Getting into bow season coming up in about, I don't know, 3 weeks or so. So there you go. Great deal. Thanks, Jersey. You're the man. Also, please don't do that too often because I still spent almost $100 here. All right, have a great day.